I'm ready now.
Yes, let's go.
All right, we're all ready.
Almost.
Nobody's setting up Clankless or anything.
No.
No, I'm
All right.
ready.
All right, when I say showtime, we're gonna start. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah,
Safe
what?
for the most
You're gonna
part.
press some couch potato or like exterminate, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Yep.
Catch
Yeah,
potato.
he knows. Everyone knows. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Showtime.
Hot time. We are farting.
I think I started like slightly early, but whatever. Get blanks, please. Thank you. I'm so gonna fail. Okay.
Better start this time.
Options, game controls, lock straight, cool.
Why did I suddenly decide, yeah, that's the mines, when I clearly did down right?
All right, I
This
got
is gonna be
Clankless.
so fun, man. At least I have the charge boots. Can
Yeah.
I kill them with the... Oh, I can!
I just got
Okay.
I just need to figure out where I lose so much time in any percent, because I want to get a sub 122. It's like it's right there, but I want to somewhat compete with Musa as well.
Yeah, I will love to, not gonna lie. Jokes aside. What am I doing? Oh, I need to go to Clank.
Exit side.
Cameron, what if we?
No, not Clank. I need to go to Al. What the fuck am I doing? Dude, I'm forgetting the route that I've been doing for days.
Believe it or not, but it's a different category.
Dude, Safi just said, "Can you fucking eat me?" Thank you. Did somebody post that to no
delicious.
context?
I got a bad bot spawn, didn't I? Yep, exactly. Just my luck.
All right, I'm not completely behind today. I think.
Throw the
I thought
goddamn
the warp to the end
EMP.
of the dread zone was precise.
Oh my
It's
god.
really easy.
I'm
Okay, you're dead.
I'm playing in inverted. Ah!
God damn it.
I'm just gonna do hyperstacks, whatever.
Yes. Wait, I can't see. There it is.
Okay, come on, come on, shoot, 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 shoot.
Lit!
Come on, I intend on somewhat competing.
Listen,
Why
I
do
don't
you
even
want-
have the ninja skin. I'm just going slower than everybody else by default.
True. Dude, the falling neutral Ratchet, you failure.
Okay. I mean, at least I failed. I failed. I finished the classification course, better than nothing. Planets, catacomb. So bad.
Are the bots gonna like show up? All right,
Nah.
come on, come on, come on, give me Catacomb.
Dude, it's my favorite challenge ever. It's Valleys of Heroes.
My God, these loads.
Ah.
Okay, I'm actually heading to Catacomb 4. You guys are probably on Kronos now. Dude, watch Matthias just randomly say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way to 16.
It's not Ouya.
I know, but
Yeah.
it'd be funny.
I died, oh my god, I didn't jump. Yeah.
He's like, yes, 26, finally.
Okay.
Oh, the pain, man. Jump! What the fuck? Why? I'm just trying to jump and grab the fucking swing shot or something. I don't get
Okay,
this.
he's on Catacomb. Fuck, damn it. Dude, I'm like never gonna win this race. Fucking PS2 is just so bad for loads.
Jesus Christ, like, it was so hard to jump, man. It was so hard. Can I do the frame perfect one? No,
Okay, let's see
I
if I
don't
get the
have
hard.
the warmonger. What am I doing? Also, Saj, don't worry, you got like a huge advantage over me, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, I did not get the Harbinger thing, so I don't know why it doesn't work for me.
I have to split manually because my keybinds aren't working.
I totally forgot about splits. I do not. Okay, you know what? Looks like I'm just not gonna fucking have a red zone split. I'm so used to using the fucking Google timer that I forgot the split dread zone.
Forgot.
Actually, when do you split? Do you split upon planet?
When you select the planet, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. That makes
Sliding.
sense. It's just, you know, going commando does not do that.
Oh, I do if we're going commando. It's only
It's
fear.
just fear that doesn't do it.
Yeah, but I do what fear does because I'm fucking too used to it. I guess I don't know. It's just my brain tells me I have to do it even though I know I don't.
I mean, what he does is
Look.
not. It's fine. Makes more sense.
Yeah,
It's
just
easy.
like in my mind, fade out is cringe. Even those like on the lords, it's really specific just for like calming all the stuff, like having proper time. I guess. Die, monsters! You don't belong in this world. Okay, so yeah, okay, I locked Sardos already. Good. I don't need to do the challenges then. This is gonna be like an hour long run. Yeah, so fun.
Will it be your any percent time though?
I hope. It better be. And do like 20 challenges less.
God. I lost like 20 seconds, no more.
But I'm gonna upgrade the flail as well.
What, my pause button is broken on this controller. It works like 50% of the time.
Oh, I can clip. What am I doing?
Impossible.
I can just clip them.
So I forgot to since I forgot to like actually move down on splits, I accidentally made a fucking dread zone split. So now I don't have a catacrom split either. It's really nice. It's really nice.
It's amazing.
You know, I don't know if I really want to run this game now.
No, I'm just gonna go on the casual path. Fuck this.
I shall pass
Maybe.
the-
Oh yeah, I have like a really low HP and like 1 HP. I forgot. That's another price that I gotta pay for this. Not having health.
Why do I have
I lost like 2 minutes here. Because my pause button is broken.
I love
I don't have any
comparing
good
to
controllers
Matthias splits and
Like,
like
none of them
seeing,
work.
hey, you're sucking right now. Like a lot. It's like I'm 2 minutes behind your subs.
Matthias is kind of like left. Where's Matthias actually?
Is he in VC? If he's not, he probably have to go to bed.
Yeah.
Is he
Alright, I got the mine clip.
I don't know. Can't check.
I'll check in just a sec. This is the one fucking bright side of PS2 loads. You can check things. Right.
Okay, it's slow. It's slightly
I
auto
need a better
scrolling mission.
pause
Pam, pam.
This doesn't
I need to-
work.
Upgrade the flail. Okay, V10. Cool. Upgrade
Okay,
the
yeah,
lab.
just put-
Great animation. Good run.
Okay, Matthias is in the VC.
Okay, good, good.
Mm.
Okay, V2 dual Vipers. Just what I wanted.
Okay. And you'll beat Ratchet Deadlocked without losing all your momentum when flail canceling.
Just gonna make sure you're like on a straight angle.
Yeah, also make sure to press both buttons
God,
like I
I'm
told
so
you.
bad. Dude, I accidentally forgot to press the square button. No.
It's okay, I'm worse. I accidentally pressed pause. And I did press it, my controller doesn't work.
Okay, this is so exhilarating.
Why is the Leviathan not moving? Hello? What is he doing? Do I need to kill him manually like this? Maybe? What the?
I love being-
Pentallion.
What the fuck is that? Why is the King Leviathan like standing still and doing nothing?
Okay, it doesn't.
I want to learn AGB, but Battalia SI makes me want to commit acts of violence.
Oh, okay. The guy didn't just wanna die because he was spawning. Makes sense. Okay, Kronos. Another minute lost. The fun, man. The fun. Yeah. Yeah. Uncle Biters, yeah.
Ken's typing.
I think I'm supposed to clip here, but I'm gonna... No?
back. Get sneaky. Ah, why didn't it split?
Because Among Us. Obviously. I mean. I don't know how to do this jump.
I mean, I'm still in
command.
Catacomb.
You're still on Catacrom?
Cool.
No, my splits are broken.
Where are you?
Very nice. Just nothing's
Okay.
working! I'm getting tilted. I'm gonna use my other controller, even if it has a broken analog stick. I'm not gonna play. Done.
But I love using an analog that has like, what is it like, what's it called? I don't know the name, man.
Well,
Tape over
describe
it.
to us.
It's like impossible to describe. I couldn't find anything on for YouTube as well. Much better.
My controller has tape over the analog stick.
Oh my god. Pause
So fun.
the pause bit but yes! The pause button works.
I thought you were about to say the
Yeah.
pause buffer, and I'm like, bro, this ain't Jack. Let's fucking invite H's Blue in here.
No, why am I splitting? Stop.
Oh my god, the pause button works. I'm not used to this, it's actually responsive. I can like not make a minute of mistakes when I try and hyperstack now. Yeah, the analog stick's broken.
You can do what?
I can't have anything good ever.
Yeah, you can't. I died. Why did I try to do that? I don't know how to hyperstrike with this shit. How do you flail cancel hyperstrike?
I'm pretty sure you press square immediately after the flail cancel.
I'm just gonna be casual a bit. Maybe not. Maybe I can.
Matthias, are you still here, or are you just like completely blazing through the game and you're so concentrated you don't even want to talk?
Cool.
Male che non è hai. Hai letto? Va bene?
Mhm.
Che c'era anche stamattina?
Mhm.
No, non potevo.
Oh, fun. One, two. Die! Die, all of you, die! Ha, I'm a fucking maniac. Okay. Shellcock raccoons. He's flying, okay, sure. He just didn't punch me there.
I wonder,
But-
can I mind clip through here? Well, I can, but like, would it just be better to mind clip? It probably would not be. Oh, okay, I don't know if that would have saved time. Okay, look this way, and... Great! The game didn't register my R2 input. That's just real nice.
What does R2
I. Let's pretend like I never made that noise.
do? No, for real, what does R2 do? Actually.
R2 at Deadlocked, it uses the quick select.
Oh yeah, forgot.
That's actually how I play the game. I don't use triangle to select weapons in this game.
Where do you go for the...
Yeah,
So you go here.
run or a race.
Oh, I need to click. Can I clip?
Oh yeah, my fucking max nanotech increased because I don't have 99 health. Or 999 health.
Since I can't
Ratchet.
clip, I'm just gonna do once again, any percent stuff.
Ratchet Deadlocked
Oh,
for
no.
PlayStation 2.
God, fuck off, Shellshock.
Musa, what challenge are you on?
Defeating Shellshock for real.
The final shell shot.
Yeah, the true shell shock.
Okay, so then I'm in last place for sure.
Later it's gonna get harder for me, you know?
True.
Managed to do the fucking clip somehow. Bots, please. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I have to go to school tomorrow for a band thing, and I'm gonna commit acts of violence.
What is cool? I never heard of this.
School? Yeah, of course you didn't. I have to fucking go to school tomorrow, and it's like, goddamn, I feel like routing fucking. Oh my god, dude, I've hated school all of this week. School has made me want to commit acts of violence. School has made me want to find triple charge and deadlocked.
School has made you want to ground all J's.
Yeah, school has made me want to learn ILJ so that I can beat Franz, and now he has to do them too. And then it was like,
Yeah, he's never done them before. Kappa Kappa JK JK.
I don't think
Jump
you get what I mean, Musa. Kappa 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 forehead lol.
Kappa Kappa JK JK Jabeta, there's like an emote Risaki made. It's like he has like the kappa inside of a Jabeta mouth.
Taco taco burrito burrito taco taco burrito burrito. My fucking diet right there. Taco taco burrito burrito. My kisses taste like tacos. Taco flavors kisses.
I'm so gonna die later on. I don't have health.
Alright, I'm done with Shell Shock. Shell Shock's dead. Oh my god. A not totally shit Chronos. A Chronos that I'm not completely fucking mauling over. What a waste.
Oh my god. Guys, I had my first ship to boss
Yes.
without the PDA.
Without the PDA.
Yeah.
What?
Like, no, because normally if I make mistakes, I do wrench swing and then continue it. I did it without.
But I love the PDA. In Deadlocked? Most
I'm
shortly.
not playing Deadlocked anymore.
What? Are you not?
What?
Are you not racing with us?
No, I quit. That's too
Why?
addicting. My-
Fair enough.
Because my controller's broken
confused.
and I don't want to play.
Oh, okay.
To be honest, I am considering just quitting Deadlock because, like, I'm not really feeling Deadlock today.
It's just
Yeah,
annoying
it was
because my
looking
phone
forward
works
to this
So
race.
it'll
So,
just
like,
be me
it's
and
now
Musa
okay.
again.
You know what? Nah, I'm racing. You know, I'm gonna still race. I'm gonna finish the race. I could do anything and everything else, but you know, I actually kind of want to race. I want to see. Do I catch up to Musa? Does,
I mean, you
does anything
can.
exciting happen? What?
You definitely can. Like, I'm still on the tournament as well, so...
Yeah, I'm on the tournament. I'm on mission 2. I accidentally just paused. That's like 3 seconds of time loss. PS2 struggles.
Oh yeah, I'm on. Oh yeah, I'm on the tournament. I'm on mission 1. Of
I'm going to Char now.
of the Crusader tournament. Baited.
Yeah. I mean, I'm technically 7 minutes behind, so it makes sense. Well, let's see. Compared to PB, yeah, 6 minutes behind PB. Which is yours, PB.
You
Stand back
you
just a
took
little.
my splits.
Okay, at least it didn't send me to the start, but holy crap, that was just bad. This is a bad. I keep wanting to say Avenger tournament. Like now that you guys pointed out the Ricky thing, that's all I can think of when I'm about to say Avenger.
Matthias, I was about to get the thing that happened to you where you upgrade your shotgun on or whatever it's called while you're doing the death on Char. I swear to God.
No.
I swear to God.
How? This is NG plus.
I
that would've been a
upgraded on the ledger. I upgraded just on the ledger.
Big ass time save for me over Musa.
No, I didn't get it. Like I was about to get it. So,
I know, but still,
my point.
I meant like that would have been.
Because Musa would have had to quit the game and re-enter.
Exactly. That's
Can you
right.
stop die? Oh my god, I'm about to die. No, I'm dead. That's different.
Get back here, reactor.
Okay,
Love
just
shot.
don't fucking give me a falling neutral double jump.
Oh, it's already done. Cool. Go, 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 go,
Power
go.
Rangers.
God damn.
Where is he go? Well, yeah, sure. Since when can the Landstalker get to where the node is on chart, like the left node? The one walking
It always could.
above, like next to the fucking finger? Because that's
Wait,
something
do
that
you
I've
mean
never
like
seen.
you mean like it's shooting
In the
me,
bolt
or
cranker.
like the actual thing is moving there?
Yeah, the actual thing moved in the bolt crank.
Okay, that is fucking wacky.
I hate Valix.
I think we all do.
Let's go 1-2 Ratchet. Let's just be safe. One, two at a time.
And I was like, penis, oh.
Do people do LJs with DS2?
If
Well,
you-
I've never done an ILJ, so.
I'm not talking to you.
Yeah, I'm not talking to you. Go for it. Sheesh.
There's one at me. What the fuck? I did not see it. No. Fuck you. Okay, I'm using the lens talk. Who cares?
Wait, what? Wait, Landstalker for what
Hey,
level?
hey, hey.
Sharp. I'm fucking mad.
Yeah, Shard is shit. I hate Shard.
I just can't do it with like no alpha and stuff.
Ah, actually, you're an easy difficulty.
No!
So. Ah.
Oh, come on! Why is there wrench lock on for the scorpion flail of all things? The wrench doesn't have lock on in this game, but the fucking scorpion flail does? Also, why is it killing my momentum? God, I don't want to fucking...
Ledges. You like.
I'm not on a ledge though, I'm literally you know what, okay.
It doesn't have to be like a ledge, like it has to be a
I am gonna
slightly higher
actually
one.
fucking rage quit, I swear to God.
Do not, no. Don't leave the race.
I'll stay in the race. It's just, God, I cannot speedrun this game for like long periods of time. I'm gonna be real.
It
And I
doesn't have
didn't
to be
get
your
the
type of
mission
game,
trigger.
it's fine.
I know, it's
It's
Yeah.
just,
just a secondary for a reason.
dude, if I was running on PS3, maybe I'd find this game bearable, but it's just like, just so.
I mean, you find bearable like to play Ouya on PS2 somehow.
Well,
Which
that's
is a
because
mystery.
Ouya is not that much different. Ouya doesn't lose 3 minutes to load. It only loses like a minute. And the only difference is like quick select lag, which even then I found out like where it happens the most and can work around it. And no quark warp, which is kind of painful, but at least it's early game, so it's like, you know, it's kind of excusable. Oh, I got the thing. Let's
How
go.
does it make it excusable because it's early game?
Well, because it's not gonna kill my runs late into the game, or like it's not gonna take like 20 minutes to get back there. Unlike
Yes,
Char.
yeah.
I'd rather do Florana over Char because Florana is just getting good. I just need to get good. Like, that's my issue. I'm not good. I need to get good. Also, the fucking Landstalkers here are so annoying. Oh my god. Please,
Shoot at me,
EMP.
not the boat. Shoot at me and not the boat. The fucking lords though. Yeah, this is where I change planets. Yeah. And this is
Actually
only gonna
think,
be
right?
squad one, that's
Think that I've been playing all this time with this error, like the analog being broken. I just never noticed until Deadlocked because lock strafe.
Oh yeah. See what you mean.
I can't notice it on Rack 1, but on Deadlocked I can.
Oh my god, fucking Ratchet just phases through the wall.
I keep using this controller, even though it has a broken analog stick.
We Team Darkstar is now sucking dick on Oxon. Wow.
Team Darkstar is now fucking my wife.
Ah, yes, I love lag. How did he die?
Oh,
Also,
wait,
please don't
Hooray,
make
the
me
game
die.
didn't crash.
Game's never crashed yet, by the way. All through making the whole file and that run.
Well then, lucky you.
Wait,
Yeah, exactly.
Did you purposefully hard lock it?
No, I actually didn't then. Wait, it must have crashed that one time. No, okay, once it's crashed.
Nah, man, no time. Bye. Bye. Where's the bottom? Okay.
No, I didn't purposely hard lock it there. I could have, but I didn't.
2 minutes and 50. Wow.
Alright, get up here.
Two.
Turn the bolt crank.
Wow.
Right.
Oh yeah,
Get to my
music.
lights
Oh
with
yeah,
it.
music. I got the turret bounce earlier.
Yo, can you tell me how to do it?
I don't know how
Please?
I don't know how I got it. I just did.
Swag. So Charlie doesn't even know.
I almost said Musa. Musa, where are you like right now?
The third mission of Oxon,
Crap, okay.
about to finish. Yeah, now the fourth one.
I'm barely
This
headed
Lance
towards
Stalker one.
Is that
Finish.
Bina?
Killed it.
Bina.
No, why did you not? Why did you not do that?
Okay, I got
Why
it
is my
first try,
shift
let's
box
go.
consistency so low?
On what?
Oh no, wait.
Getting
Okay, the bots.
enough
Yes,
arcades.
yes, let's go.
I mean, you don't, like practice
You know,
that.
best game ever.
Kinda
Best game
normal,
ever.
like-
I love it.
I am getting better with practice, I've noticed, so I'm
Yeah.
happy about that.
Well, yeah, that's what practice is for, you know.
Somehow that saved time.
But what are you saying? Practice makes you better?
You
No,
mean
I
to tell
just-
me that doing? You mean to tell me that doing something more
Look
times
guys,
makes you more
I never
experienced?
said that practice didn't work, alright?
Sheesh, man.
Big
Sheesh.
pussy.
All the speedrunners cringe you right now.
Well, yeah, I'm a speedrunner and I'm cringing. I'm dying from cringe.
thanks.
Let me destroy this real quick.
So helpful.
I got squished by
That's
the
right, guys. I'm a
Landstalker
speedrunner.
on Orxon,
Nice.
and I died. What a way to go.
It's okay, that happened in my PB too.
The camera just fucking did a 180. What the? Right.
Oh, I need to preserve the mines. What am I doing? Die.
Yeah, I don't care if this controller's broken. Honestly.
Okay. I
Yeah, he doesn't care. I mean, he doesn't know.
It did
I do
not bump
care, but it's better than my
on
other
King.
one. Cause yeah, playing Deadlocked with the broken pause, yeah, it's so fun. I love hyperstacking. Except it doesn't work sometimes and you lose all your height. It's so good.
All right. You know what?
Oh yeah, well you don't, but you absolutely need the post timing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Truly
it just
fun,
works
man.
like literally 50% of the time, the pause button. And it throws off my timing when it doesn't work.
There is one enemy left that is flying over a barrier. Yeah. What a great game.
What mission?
First of Crusader tournament.
Damn it. I'm only on the third Orxon.
These charge boots are so slow.
It's dumb how my oldest controller out of them all has the least problems. Like how?
And the one problem it has
Yeah,
is
like
the damn
Mukau.
PS button.
Yeah, the PS button and the R1 button's awful. But other than that, it works.
Okay. Bye.
Issues.
Nice. I love telling the bot to like do a ball crank and in the meanwhile I'm just gonna fucking leave.
Wait, why didn't the Harbinger come out? Fuck. Alright, no, it's fine.
Dude, oh my god, it's reactor cock. Yeah, cock.
Oh, okay, I am late. I'm probably never catching up.
Die. What? Die. Law? Oh, okay.
Do people
Weird
play
jumping.
on wireless or not? Like, does it add latency or something?
Nah, I'm pretty sure it doesn't.
I mean, technically it would, but I don't notice it.
I mean, it's not that bad. Like, the Bluetooth drivers of the controller are pretty good.
Really good, yeah. Because I play in wireless like all the time. I don't.
Let's see, you
Like-
got input delay on computer somehow. Don't
Alright,
ask
No, I'm
me.
not complaining
like,
about it. I'm just wondering if other people play in wireless or wired.
I'm just like I'm confused on to why you get so many things that are like so new to me.
You can get input delay though on PS3.
No, I mean on computer, man. On computer, how does that happen?
Yeah. But how everyone else complains about input delay too. Like Scarray or Scary told me too that they get it.
I don't
I think
know.
it's just you that doesn't get input delay.
It can't be just me. Like Adam didn't get any problems. Wiz didn't get any problems.
Well, I never noticed it either until I got a PS3.
They go both though.
Well, built different. Adapt.
You're built different. Exactly. But not in a child way. In the wrong.
Yeah, you're
like,
just-
your brain doesn't even like realize the lag that you're experiencing.
Guys, Sappy said a word.
You're just a cat, Emerald.
That's true.
True.
Oh, I don't have the message pop up to say, hey, this is how you use the ship.
Why am I thinking of that now? Why the fuck am I? Why of all the
It's a
things
banger,
to
that's
think
why.
about?
I don't know, I used to say it like a lot of times. That's why.
I have not watched Power Rangers in like a decade.
I watch it every day.
I mean, I just go,
No
go,
one can
go,
stop me.
Power Ranger, ta-da-na-na-na-na. From time to time you see, man. And I think I corrupted you. I think I did my plan well.
All right, what's the second mission? Isn't it the bullpen one?
I think the marathon.
Yeah,
I think it's called
Yeah, it's called Marathon.
marathon man.
I was gonna
go,
make that
man.
joke.
Okay, I take it back. You can make it now.
No.
Let me reverse.
Oh, does this mean
What's that second mission called?
Marathon, just like Marathon Man. Oh my god, yeah!
Lol.
Stupid. We are the stupidest fuckers. Dude, guys.
I never
none of the-
consider myself smart. Don't worry.
Once
Yeah,
again,
guys,
I am
none of the
asking
brown
how I
colour-
put up with you.
Deadbeat, you are an idiot.
Don't.
Yeah, exactly. Don't.
Wait. Okay, wait, what was I gonna say?
Should I download
Guys.
the BKGI?
Do I want
Guys,
to
none of
do-
the ratchet none of the
Yeah?
ratchet none of
Do
the
you not
ratchet
have
mods
the
are
program?
online. Quick, let's switch to our Garfield profiles.
Do I want to know whereabouts you are or no? Or is that just gonna make me really self-conscious?
Wait, Emerald, why did you select download PKGI again? Would you already have it?
Yeah, I have it. That's how I got deadlocked. But what do I get with it? I'm bored.
No. All for one, obviously.
Alright.
Oh, I can't hyperstrike. Oh,
The
yeah,
console
eventually.
crashed. Yeah, that's so good.
Listen, it's better than see like, oh my god, that file is corrupt, I guess I'll die. Because that's what my PS3 did.
Alright, so I've been playing for a little over half an hour and I'm halfway through the game. Let's go! Yay!
How did I run out? How did I run out of
Why
armor
doesn't
to ammo?
Why does nothing work?
I'm losing so much time. Oh my god, I died.
Stupid console.
Letting go of the last swing shot too early. Just give me dirty.
Morbius. Morb.
You gonna
Loser,
flash
do you
forever
think the
or
out
do
of-
the triple beep?
Oh wait, never mind. Actually, I probably already have my answer since you know you're getting good time, 8% time.
You talking to
He's
me?
gonna ask if Musa does the out of bounds on Valix.
Yeah.
Oh.
The slow version, but I said the slow
That's
version
not
just because I
turning
don't have
off.
like the ninja skin, so it just kind of fucking sucks. And I have to do like
Why?
3 hyper stacks.
Why does it do that?
The what?
It doesn't turn off. It just flashes forever.
No, hand power.
What?
Hand power. The power of
What's
hand.
wrong with him?
I mean, it does that. Like it wouldn't do it normally.
I know. Like, it's so inconsistent.
There is no way that I can like be tied to the
He says
Matthias
he
sub
doesn't
for
crash.
20 minutes. Want to die.
Yu-Gi-Oh
Dude, I
has
hate
him,
doing
and his doesn't
casual
crash.
route on that.
Just me.
I don't know. I also crash.
Move out of my way. I need to charge and let's go. Emerald, it's because you're using an antique console.
So antique. Do you want a PS4?
What?
You want a PS4?
PS4?
You want a PS4? There's incredible games like The Last of Us, The Last of Us clone, another The Last of Us clone, a poor reboot.
Last of Us
Ratchet
2.
and Clank. The
I
Last
got
of
a
Us,
trophy.
Last of Us 2, another Last of Us clone, more Last of Us. This game that
You've
never
you've
heard
made
of,
your
apparently
point.
cool. Okay,
Don't worry,
fine,
there is
fine.
more The Last of Us clones that need to be added.
Okay guys, this isn't a Last of Us clone, but it has no gameplay and it has a really good story, but you will never find that out because the gameplay is so boring that you won't want to play and find out. So Emerald,
didn't have the
you want
eyes
the
for
antique
that.
console or the totally cool PS4? Damn, she didn't even ask the PS5. She wasn't even like, want the PS5, the cool rad PS5.
I don't
but
think
rip
she
it.
knows it exists.
Honestly,
PS5 is
honestly,
awesome. Broken, yeah?
I'm so glad that my family got a PS3 the time that we got robbed instead of a PS4.
Oh my god,
Robbed.
what?
Like 2014, we got burgled, and they took a bunch of our Wii games. I know, let's get a
They
PS3.
still like Wii games.
Thank God I didn't. Thank
Squid
God we didn't
Games,
get a
Squid
PS4.
Games, let's go. Let's
Because
go,
I
guys,
would
Squid
never,
Games.
I would have never used that thing. There's nothing on it that interests me. Because this was 2014. Rack PS4 hadn't even come out yet.
Weren't you like 9 at the time?
Right, I think so. Yes.
Alright, I was literally doing the math and trying to like do the hover ship mission at the same time.
Don't
so I was
do
like,
that.
I know you weren't talking to me, unless you were, but like... That was so well timed. What was I gonna say? PS3. I'm gonna be real. I know most people like get scared that they're gonna ask for a PS5 and get an Xbox Series instead, or vice versa. But, like, I don't think my mom knows that there's a new Xbox out. I don't think she even knows about the Xbox One.
Oh, can I get a PS5 receipt of PS, an
I think the
Xbox
360
One
was
X?
the newest one because I had the highest number.
Wait, what?
I think the 360 was the newest because I had the highest number.
That's not how it works. Microsoft,
PS3 is the
I didn't know
magic
how
number.
Xbox worked.
Microsoft can't.
Well, that- well, no,
Microsoft
my
can't
PS
count.
Exactly.
I can tell.
Okay, guys, it's called the Xbox One, except it's the third Xbox.
Oh yeah, you know they actually quietly stopped producing the Xbox One.
Oh yeah, I know. I heard, and it's like, damn. Rest in peace to the console with even less games.
I don't know. I have
Oh no.
Hang on.
Oh, no.
A former friend would always swear by the Xbox One.
Dude, let me just say, I can't fucking the fact that Sony's trying to like take care of their chip shortage by making more PS4s is like so bad. It's like, bro, why don't you use the PS4 stuff to make more PS5s? Why?
Because the
why
PS5
would
because the PS5 is more expensive to make, and so they'll get a higher profit selling PS4s
Oh
than they would sell
no!
PS5s.
Oh no! A multi-billion-dollar company, is having trouble financially. Whatever will they do?
No,
Honestly,
no, Sony, don't do this
obviously,
to us.
yes, I know it doesn't work entirely like that, but still. Also, dude, like fucking, I can't wait for the PS4 to stop being produced and we can finally say goodbye to the generation of no games. Like, you have no idea how happy that's gonna make me to just like.
From no games.
Oh,
Savage, man.
Dude, what the fuck did the 8th generation have? Okay, you can buy the PS4 where every game looks the same, the Xbox One which had a terrible launch and I can't.
Oh,
even
actually, you
point
can
on
get
it.
Fortnite on the PS4.
Or
Fortnite,
you can get the
Fortnite.
fucking.
That's true, and it's free game, I believe.
Or you can get, or you can get the
Fortnite
Wii
or
U.
PS3.
Yeah, that's what I said, Matisse. You can get the Wii U, where you get one controller per console, and if that controller breaks,
Oh,
you basically
it's
have to buy an
painful.
entire new console.
Okay, Saj, I think you're gonna catch up from the fact that I have to defeat 2 executioners in NG Plus with 12 Vipers V2.
What mission are you on?
Murphy's Law, Vindicator Tournament. I'm trying to kill 2 executioners. And they're not gonna die forever.
Musa, I think you're gonna win regardless. I'm still on Valix.
So I'm still the first executioner. It's not gonna die. Okay, he died. Okay, there is another one though. So, well.
Also, I love that Musa somehow knows the name of the Deadlocked enemies.
Oh
But
my
this is
god,
the one that
you
I
can
always
play
remember
Fortnite
because
on
they killed me.
PS3 using CFW.
Why
Oh,
would you
God.
ever want to do that?
But it's fun.
That's funny as. The description says the port on PS3 is actually implayable, 12 FPS approx.
12.
Oh my god.
12 is a lot, man.
It's funny as. God.
Okay, 42 minutes in, and I've fucking. It took me 8 minutes to complete one planet. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're
That's a
doing real
question.
well.
I'm also 42 minutes in. How did that happen?
I'm so glad that it took me 8 minutes to beat this stupid level.
Which
I
one?
know this is real.
Oh, yeah.
I can feel that like it's painful from it going away.
I named my split for Big Twitter tournament Marcadia.
God damn it, man. Why am I doing this? I can just clip her. What the fuck am I doing?
Why am I doing this? I could just play Ouya.
No, like I was doing airdrop. I was
I
literally
know.
just doing airdrop.
I
For
know,
some
but I
reason.
felt like being unfunny.
No, like I'm confused on like how am I so stupid to do like an auto scroller where I can just like get the fuck out of here and like leave. Can they stop eating me? Stop!
I hate when they beat me.
How do you clip on this wall?
Honestly, if it helps, just do wrench size instead, and like eventually you'll get the things to stop spawning. Like I know
Let
that's
me
not-
try 11 times first. Okay,
Yeah,
I did
honestly, that's what I do.
with 20 seconds to spare. Okay, let's do some flail cancelling. Good.
Okay, most of them are dying. Why is that drone just like fucking having a goddamn seizure?
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's crazy. It's crazy, it's a boss. And it's not losing alpha at all. Oh my god, this is never gonna end. But I might as well just do the faces.
Okay, I have a little time to catch up on Musa. Alright, come on,
So
come on,
it
come on, come on.
literally dawns and lose alpha.
Why didn't the command show up? The command for the bolt crank literally just didn't show up. That's real nice.
No, don't die, don't die, die,
Let's
die.
go. And my bot is dead. This is bad. And the executioner bombed me. Oh my god, please. I'm gonna fucking lose both of them alive. Okay, so I'm gonna have to wait. Oh no!
Why still is there zero?
Okay, I'm gonna try and do the proxy. I did not get the proxy. We're just gonna like get away, get out of here.
Alright guys, so if you wanna play Fortnite on the PS3, you gotta download an Android emulator and play the mobile version. Oh, did it open gift on Reddit? What's the gift?
Ooh, gift sir? Good.
I don't know what
Wonder
this
what it's
is.
gonna be.
I don't use Reddit. How do I have a gift? Gave me something.
Probably an award. It's probably an award, which is basically a way to spend. It's basically a way to spend money. It's like an NFT, but it makes somebody else feel good, so it's not complete shit.
I don't even use Reddit. I don't comment on anything. Anyway, show you guys this
Except for
another
What the
time.
hell? What the hell?
Excuse me.
The only places where I like comment.
How
okay,
the hell
only
did-
one comment that I did.
How the hell did this PB?
You're nice.
You got a PB?
40,
I love that it's on this race as well.
45,
Fucking go.
45, 46.
Fuck yeah!
GG's.
Wow.
Gonna
Okay,
fart
so
about
can
it,
I have
don't worry.
50% of your ad revenue. Matisse, can I
And
have
your
50%
complete
of your ad
sound waves.
revenue as compensation for what you said earlier?
Lots of zeros, man. It's gonna be lots of zeros for such.
I know, he's gonna be so rich.
It's like a 6-digit zero. It's all there is.
It's a 6-digit zero. Oh my god, wait, what if I just like... I actually am getting off Torval now, nice.
Why are the bots not going to that node?